balance of the chemical equation. Here I balance the chemical equation by the follow heat and trial methods and partial equation methods. Alright, so we will start the balance of the chemical equation from the compounds, heating of the compound copper nitrates. Alright, this is the first problem, copper nitrate. This is first problem, copper nitrate, Cu, Na3, carbon by NaOH, CO plus NO2 and plus O2. So this is balanced by the heat and trial method. First we will balance the heat and trial method. Alright. So according to the law, the elementary gas are given in the equation that will be changed first in the atomic forms. Right? The equation will be written Cu NO3 whole twice equal to CuO plus NO2. Now we balance overall equations. There are the nitrogen one. There are two nitrogens and 2 multiplied by 2. Nitrogen is balanced. Okay. Copper is balanced. Oxygen. There are 6 oxygen and there are 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. Now we change this small atomic form oxygen into molecular forms by the multiply of the 2. 2 Cu NO3 carbon twice equal to 2 Cu plus 4 NO2 and plus 4. Right? This is the first equation. Balance. This is balance equation. Alright. So my second problem. Okay. My second problem is heating of ammonium diachromate. Second problem, heating of ammonium diachromate Cr2O7 equal to Cr2O3 plus H2O plus N. Right? We can also balance by the heat and trial method. First we will observe the elementary gas present in the equation. The elementary gas is nitrogen because it is made up of only same type of atoms. Alright? So ammonium diachromate equal to Cr2O3 plus H2O plus. Right? Now we balance overall equation. There are the chromium is 2 and there are the chromium is 2. There are nitrogen is 1 and there are hydrogen is 8. There is hydrogen is 2 to multiply by the 4. Nitrogen is 2. Right? Oxygen, number of oxygen 7, 3 and 4, 7. So everything is balanced. Okay? So what do we need? It is need that nitrogen will be changed into the molecular forms. NH4 covered by Cr2O7 equal to Cr2O3 plus 4H2O and plus N2. Now this is the equal balance equation, right? By the heat and trial methods. My third problem is that oxidation of potassium permanganate. Third problem, oxidation of potassium permanganate NaOH plus H2SO4, right, equal to K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2O and plus 4. So first we need to observe the elementary gas. There is the one elementary gas, that is the oxygen. So first we need to write the atomic form of the oxygen. Okay? So start KMnO4 plus H2SO4 equal to K2SO4 MnSO4 Now we balance the equation. Everything balance the equation. There is the 2 potassium and there is the 1 potassium. So multiply by the 2. There is the 2 manganese and there is the 1 manganese multiplied by 2. There are 3 sulfate, 1 sulfate and 2 sulfate. So 3 will be multiplied by the 3. Hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, there are the 1 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now we need to balance the oxygen. Alright. Okay, KMnO4 होगा अब हम ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करते हैं. देयर आर द 4 to the 8 by and 3 5. Everything is balanced in the equation. So what is the defect? Defect is that oxygen is in here. Oxygen is the atomic form. Now we need to change atomic form to the molecular forms. Okay, by the multiply of the 2. Okay, when we multiply of the 2, overall equation will be 4 KMnO4 6H2SO4 equal to 2K2SO4 4 KMnO4 plus 6H2O plus 5. Now this is a balanced equation. Okay, this is a balanced equation. My next problem is that copper nitrate. My next problem is that copper nitrate. It is oxidation of the copper nitrate. Our problem is copper nitrate Cu plus HNO3 is equal to Cu NO3 plus NO2 of the H2. Right? This solved by the partial equation method, not a simple, because there are the 2 reactions is complete. First is the oxidation of the copper and reduction is the nitric acid. So there are the 2 processes complete. So this is done. This is balanced by the partial equation method. Okay. In the first equation, we can break this equation into 2 parts. In the first equation, will be complete by the oxidation, and second equation will be complete by the reduction. Alright, like this. HNO3. HNO3 is a reagent, oxidizing agent. It will change into the NO2 plus H2O and plus O. So everything is balanced by the multiply. So this is equation first. Now this is a part of the oxidation. This is the oxidation. Okay, because the oxygen is released. Okay, this is a reduction, not. This is a reduction. Okay, because oxygen is released. Okay, second part, oxidation Cu plus HNO3 plus 2 equal to Cu whole plus H2O. Now we need to balance the equation 2 and 2. Okay, this is the second equation. This is the second equation. Now we need to balance. Now first equation and whenever both are this is a reduction, this is the oxidation, both are the balance, and we can be overall equation we can get overall equation by adding both equation. Okay. So here you one atom is produced and one atom is utilized. So it will be cancelled. Okay. So Cu plus 4HNO3 equal to CuNO3 whole coil plus 2H2O plus NO. This equation is balanced. Alright. My second problem is oxidation of the KMnO4 with HCl. KMnO4 with HCl equal to KCl plus MnCl2 plus H2O and plus Cl. Okay. So first we observe the elementary gas. There is the chlorine is the elementary gas. So first we write the chlorine into the atomic forms. Then KMnO4 plus the Cl, KCl, MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl. Now we balance these elements. So there are how many oxygen? There are the 4 oxygen and there are 2 oxygen to multiply the 4. Okay. There are the 8 HCl, there are 8 hydrogen and there are 1 hydrogen multiplied by the 8. Okay. So there are the how many chlorines? There are the 8 chlorines and there are the 3 and 4 8 chlorines. Okay. So every element are the balance in the equation. Now we need to atomic form chlorine, write to the chlorine from atomic form to the molecular form by the multiply of the 2. Then 2 KMnO4, 16 HCl, 2 KCl, 2 MnCl2 plus 8 H2O plus 5. This equation is balanced. Alright. Now my next problem is sixth problem is that aluminum reaction of H2O3 plus H2SO4 equal to H2SO4 का होता है प्लस H2. इसको हम बैलेंस करते हैं. हाउ मेनी सल्फेट? देयर आर द 3 सल्फेट, देयर आर 1 सल्फेट, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 3 and there are the 3 oxygen, 2 aluminum, there are the 3. Overall equation is balanced. My next problem, heating of the lead. Okay, this is very simple. My next problem, heating of the lead. Heating and see the whole price PbO and plus. There is also given elementary gas, oxygen. First we need to write the oxygen from atomic form, molecular form to atomic forms. Pb and plus. Now we need to do the balance. There are the 2 nitrogen, there are the 1 multiplied 2. There is 6 and then 1, 2, 4. Everything balanced. Now we need to write the oxygen into the molecular form by the multiply of the 2. Overall it is 2B. Is the whole twice 2 PbO 4N2 and 4. Okay. My next problem is, this is very difficult, not easy. So we try to understand very carefully. Right? K1O4 equal to K2MnO4 K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus 1. There is also one elementary gas is given, oxygen. First we need to write the oxygen from molecular form to the atomic forms. K2MnO4 MnO2 plus 4. Now we need to balance. There are the 2K, there are the 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, there are the 2 Mn. Okay, so the oxygen will be 8, 4, to the 8, 1, 5. Okay, so now number of oxygen go to the 8, there are Okay, so everything is balanced. Okay, this is not much clear. ऑक्सीजन मैंने लिखा एटॉमिक फॉर्म में. ओके, तो हम क्या करते हैं इसमें, हमारा मैग्नीशियम क्या करते हैं, 4 करते हैं, 4 और 2 कैमरा 4, 2 हो गया, 2 हो गया, एवरीथिंग बैलेंस 16. अब हमारा मैग्नीशियम बैलेंस हो गया, पोटेशियम बैलेंस हो गया. ओके, ऑक्सीजन इन 4 4 16 एंड 4 8 8 और 4 12, मतलब आपका 4. Okay. Now we need the atomic form, oxygen to atomic molecular form. 4 camera 4, 2 camera 4 plus 2 camera 2 plus 2. Now everything is balanced in this equation. Alright. So this is equation, balancing of the chemical equation. Okay, have a nice day, and we will come with a new problem on the next day. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.